Hi, this is Tractor Dave from outside Halifax. Anyway, this is a second part video here of me actually working the backhoe backblade and that. I was filling up some potholes on a local road here and that, so this kind of gives you an idea of the control you have on it and everything else, and raising up and down and angling it and everything else, and that it seems to work pretty good. So I hope you enjoy this next video. And again, you know, like if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel there, and I'll give you some more updates. Okay, have a great day.